everyone, I'm in my kitchen today and I'm making a dish with basically gnocchi and mushrooms. So I'm starting by pulling off the buttons on the mushrooms. These mushrooms have been gently washed. I know some people recommend basically just wiping down mushrooms, but I prefer washing them. These mushrooms are a little worn, so you can see they are a little bruised, but that usually doesn't bother me because I think they always turn out just fine. So I'm cutting these mushrooms up. Perfect. I'm also going to prepare a couple pieces of garlic because I love the way fresh garlic tastes. So I'm just going to move these over to the side. The way I peel my garlic is I usually take the side of my knife and push it into the garlic. And then I just remove off the skins. So I have garlic pieces that look like this. Perfect. It just helps really easily when you press on it. It just helps kind of take off the skin super easy. I think 3 pieces should be enough. I don't think this one opened, so I'm gonna put that away for later. And I think I'm gonna actually mince it. So I have a little bowl and I'm just gonna mince this inside the bowl. I don't mind if there's a couple chunks, as long as I get the majority of it. Awesome. So there you have it. I have my garlic already, my mushrooms. So I have my gnocchi, and it is Trader Joe's gnocchi. This is the brand I use. It's cauliflower gnocchi from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to season it with this Mushroom Company multi-purpose umami blend. So I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of this flavoring in. Now I'm just gonna add my prepared mushrooms. Perfect. And I'm gonna add my prepared garlic. To make this dish super creamy and delicious, I am gonna add some homemade almond milk in. So that's gonna add fat to this dish and make it really, really delicious. Just gonna give everything a stir. And let it cook down. So I really love broccoli because it has a high protein content and it's really good for you. So I'm gonna take a head of broccoli, I'm gonna rinse it off before I cut it. And I'm gonna just cut the broccoli head. After I cut off the pieces, then I use my hands to make bite-sized pieces. I really like the broccoli to be small and delicious, bite-sized pieces. I think that's probably good for the size dish that I'm doing. Maybe one more since I really love broccoli. That's great. Okay, so this is how this is cooking down. Super creamy and amazing. Pretty much looks almost ready. So I'm gonna add the broccoli in now. So the broccoli can absorb some of that almond milk. right, and I think this is done. I'm just gonna put it in a bowl for plating. Get all my last little bits of broccoli and cream. This cream is full of so much flavor that I don't want to leave any behind. So there you have it. This was made in a few minutes and it has so much flavor and is really good for you because it has broccoli, cauliflower, and mushrooms in it, and it tastes really good. So try it out and let me know what you think. Love you. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more great content. This is the final dish in natural light. Have a wonderful day.